Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Introduced from Group 5 with material about form of business and details before going into the material. Let us introduce ourselves first. I am Amelia Deborah with number 23 blank 590 for as moderator. And my friend
I'm Dea Permata Evanza. I'm Darsha Julia Putri. My name is Dina Ramadhani.
the first material will be explained by Dea Permata.
Okay, body business. Body business, a business entity, is a legal and economic entity that uses capital and labor to seek profit. Business entity, legal entity. It is a form of business entity that has a separate legal standing from its founders. This means that its business entity has separate rights and obligation from its shareholders and is a separate entity from the individual founder. Next, classification of legal entity. First, limited liability company, foundation, cooperative, and state-owned enterprises and regionally owned enterprises. Next, characteristic of legal entity, business entities. First, legal subject. This allows a legal entity to carry out legal acts to achieve certain goals that have been set by its management for the common benefit of the members of the legal entity. Next, ownership, rights, and obligation. This allows a legal entity to have its own asset, participate in legal affairs through its managers, and be able to file lawsuits or bring claims to court. Next, legal protection. With legal entity status, the entity can operate within the legal system more clearly and orderly and is protected by law. Next, legal ability. A legal entity allows entity to have legal capacity such as carrying out legal acts, having legal rights and obligations, and being able to suit in court. Next, providing benefits to the community. Legal entities such as foundation are established with the aim of providing benefits to the community or achieving certain goals such as education, health, environment, or other charitable activity. Next, business benefit. Legal entity provides benefits in terms of protection, responsibility, and legal certainty. A company with legal entity status will guarantee, protect, and provide many benefits for future business trips. Next, limit liability company. Based on article, the definition of a limit liability is a legal entity which is a capital association established based on agreement carrying out business activity with authorized capital which is entirely divided into shares and and fulfilling the requirement stipulated in this law and its implementing regulation. El- Element limit liability company. First, in the form a legal entity with a capital partnership established on the basis of agreement conducting business activity. The capital is divided into shares fulfill the requirements stipulated in the limit liability company law and its implementing regulation. Next, material requirement for establishing a limit liability company. First, an agreement between two or more people made with authentic deed authorizes capital of the company shares acquisition with the company was founded. This is all for me. I return it to the moderator.
Sorry, there was a mistake in the name which should have been Dina Rahmadani. Okay, next topic dia.
Okay, business entity, not a legal entity, is a business entity that doesn't have a legal basis, so that the founders and their partners directly hold the legal subject. The main characteristic of a business entity that is not a legal entity is the absence of separation between the owner's will and the business entity's will. Classification of non-legal entity business entities, sole proprietorship, limited partnership or CV, and firm. Sole company. This sole proprietorship is also known as sole proprietorship or exclusive ownership. Characteristic features are looks easy to set up, unlimited liability, less tax, relatively easy to dissolve, personal interest, no official permission, relatively small capital, and small profit. Next, limited partnership or CV. Commanditaire Vennootschap or CV is a form of cooperation between two or more parties, where there are active partners who lead and manage the company with full responsibility for their personal work, as well as passive partners who only provide capital and have limited responsibility to the amount of wealth they contribute. Exists are control over high profits, even though they have to be shared with other members of the partnership. Business motivation is high, although not as high as sole proprietorship. Legal aspects are minimal, although slightly more complicated than a sole proprietorship. And like R contains unlimited financial responsibility of active partners, although it can be shared with other active partner members. The legal status of a CV is not yet a legal entity, making it difficult to obtain large projects, cannot easily raise capital from its partners, unlike a limited liability company which can raise capital from shareholders. And CV names are often the same as each other because there is no checking with the previous CV name. Next, firm. Firm is a partnership or association to run a business between two or more people under a joint name, with each member of the firm having unlimited liability. Elements of a firm partnership are is a civil partnership, running a company, having a common name. Every partner of the firm is a manager, both of Deden van Beeren and Deden van Besiken, as long as there are no partners who are prohibited or excluded. And partners are jointly and severally liable. Based on Article 26 and Article 29 of the Commercial Code, two types of firm are recognized, namely general firm and specialized firm. Like a firm is the owner's liability is not limited to all of the company's debt. Leadership is held by more than one person. This allows disputes to arise between partners. The mistakes of a firm must be borne together. The company's survival is not guaranteed because if one of the members leaves, the company firm will be dissolved, and the company business debts are covered by the personal assets of the firm member. And excess of the firm are the amount of capital is relatively large compared to individual business, making it easier to expand the business. It is easier to obtain credit because you have greater financial capacity, which is a combination of capital owned by several people and greater management capability due to division of labor among members, and all decisions are taken together so that decisions become better and combine natural reasons and the partners' genuine attention to the company, and the establishment for this procedure is relatively easy. Um, that's all. I will return to the moderator.
So I will explain the next material business entity corporation. What is meant by corporation as business entity? Corporation is business organization owner and operated by individual for the good. Corporation cooperative base their activities on the principle of people, economic movement based on the principle of family. Cooperation objectivitas. Objectives. 1. Promote the welfare of member and participants in building a national economic order in order to create and develop just and prosper social. The self on Pancasila and the and the 1009 1945 Constitution to improve the welfare and standard of living of members in particular and social in general. 3. Become a people, economic move on and participate in bundling the national economic order. When and who for the cooperative Indonesian cooperative were founded on the date July 12, 1960,000 by Dr. Muhammad Hatta. What is capital for? Stability and cooperative. Cooperative stabilities mean capital come from primary saving in education added to that it can be taught mandatory saving and grants given BITS member principal saving an equal amount of money the must find to the cooperative when becoming a member. Money cannot be withdrawn as long as the person concerned is still a member. Mandatory savings. A certain amount of saving which does not have to be the same which the member are required by the cooperative at a certain time and opportunity when cannot be withdrawn as long and the person concerned is still a member. Grant and the form of money capital got the store inspiration units and proven by a statement on stempel paper. And the next material we explain be Delcia Julia Putri.
Okay, Business Entity Foundation. According to Law Number 16 of 2001 concerning foundations, a foundation is a business entity consisting of assets that are separate and allocated to achieve certain goals in the social, religious, and humanitarian fields that do not have members. Next, how was the foundation founded in the beginning? In the early days of the birth of foundation in Indonesia, foundations were established based on custom by imitating the method of establishing other foundations that had been established previously. Namely, the establishment of foundations was carried out before a notary or made with a notarial deed with easy requirements and procedures and without requiring approval from government. The establishment of a foundation can be done by one or more people by separating part of the founder's asset as initial assets. The basis for establishing a foundation can be an agreement of the founders of the foundation to carry out social, religious, and humanitarian activities, or based on a will. The establishment process is carried out by a notarial deed, except for the establishment of a foundation by a foreign or together with a foreign which is further regulated in government regulation. The legal entity status for the foundation is valid after the deed of establishment made by a notary has been approved by the Office of the Ministry of Law and Human Rights, which is implemented by the local regional office of the Ministry of Law and Human Rights. Approval is given no later than 30 days from the date the application is received in full. Foundations might carry out business activities by establishing a business entity or participating in a business entity with the following provisions. First, maximum capital participation is 25% of the foundation's asset. Next, the business activities established by the foundation are in accordance with the aims and objectives of the foundation. The results of business activities may not distribute to foundation organs. Next, the foundation's organs may not serve concurrently as directors and commissioners in the business entity established. Next, the foundation doesn't recognize inheritance regarding its asset. Next, civil servants may participate in establishing a foundation. And the last, a foundation can be established by one person only. Authority of foundation organs. The first, supervisor. Decisions regarding change to the articles of association, appointment and dismissal of members of the management board and members of the supervisory board, determination of general policies of the foundation based on the foundation's article of association, ratification of the work program and draft annual budget of the foundation. And the last, determination of the decisions to merge the foundation or regarding the dissolution of the foundation. Next, administrations. The foundation's management is fully responsible for the management of the foundation for the interest and purpose of the foundation and has the right to represent the foundation both in and out of court. Article 36 of the Foundation Law states that there are certain matters that the management doesn't have the right to take care of it. A case occurred in court between the foundation and the relevant member of the management board. And the last, the member of the management board concerned has interests that conflict with the interests of the foundation. Next, supervisor. The supervisory board is an organ of the foundation tasked with supervising and providing advice to the management in running the foundation's management. The foundation's activities have a supervisory board of at least one supervisor whose authority, duties, and responsibilities are regulated in the articles of associations. The supervisory board might not serve as a trustee or manager. Foundation social activities. First, formal and non-formal educations, orphanages, nursing homes, hospitals, polyclinics and laboratories, sport coaching, research in knowledge, comparative study. Foundation's religious activities. Establish a place of worship, establishing an Islamic boarding school, receive and distribute zakat, infaq, and alms, improving religious understanding, and carrying out religious propagation. Humanitarian activities of the Foundation, providing assistance to victims of natural disasters, providing assistance to refugees from war, providing assistance to the homeless, the poor, and the vagrants, establish and operate halfway house and funeral homes, providing consumer protection, and the last, preserving the environment. That's all for me. I will return to the moderator.
That's all our explanation for today. If there are any mistakes, wabillahi taufiq hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.